Hey friends, welcome back to Cabin and Cottage. Today we're exploring something truly magical, a Charleston-inspired home that beautifully blends timeless antebellum grandeur with cozy modern comfort. Whether you're dreaming of your perfect retreat or simply love gorgeous interior design, you're going to absolutely fall in love with every room. Let's dive in together. Step into this living room where timeless elegance meets everyday comfort. Soft cream walls and ornate moldings create a sanctuary for relaxation, while brass chandeliers cast a gentle glow. Rich mahogany floors and mirrored sofas invite you to sink in, breathe deeply, and truly unwind surrounded by sophisticated charm. Imagine waking in this serene bedroom sanctuary, where pale ivory walls and soaring ceilings make worries melt away instantly. Lush linens in soft taupe embrace you like a cloud, while vintage touches whisper stories of graceful living. Daylight filters through delicate curtains, creating your perfect peaceful retreat from the world. This formal dining room radiates timeless grace where memorable gatherings come to life beautifully. Sage wainscoting frames the space, while a sparkling crystal chandelier illuminates mahogany elegance. Ornate paintings and fine china tell tales of Southern tradition, inviting you to linger over meaningful conversations and exquisite meals. Welcome to a kitchen where Southern charm meets modern convenience seamlessly. Creamy cabinets and marble countertops shine beneath natural light, while vintage-inspired details add personality. This warm gathering space perfectly balances cooking practicality with timeless elegance, inspiring culinary adventures daily. Slip into this charming butler's pantry, your private entertaining oasis. Custom cabinetry displays cherished crystal and fine dishware, while marble countertops offer prep perfection. Soft pendant lighting and pale blue accents create an intimate, refined atmosphere ideal for gracious entertaining. Lose yourself in this magnificent library where leather-bound volumes and mahogany shelves create intellectual bliss. A cozy wingback chair awaits with soft lighting for literary escapes. Ornate details and fireplace warmth make this scholarly retreat feel like a beloved sanctuary. Experience spa-like tranquility in this wellness retreat room featuring luxury relaxation elements. Vintage apothecary displays showcase botanical serenity, while soft lighting creates soothing ambience. Marble surfaces and organic textures transform everyday moments into rejuvenating self-care rituals. Bask in this sunroom's radiant beauty, where windows flood your space with glorious natural light. Wicker furniture wrapped in cream and pale blue fabrics invites cozy moments. Climbing ivy and flowering plants create a greenhouse paradise, blending indoors with gardens. This parlor room whispers Southern romance through pink damask walls and Victorian treasures. Antique settees and ornate mirrors frame delicate conversations perfectly. Soft candlelight and fine artwork create an intimate atmosphere where timeless elegance simply takes your breath away. Drift into this pretty guest bedroom where pale mint green walls and patchwork quilts inspire sweet dreams. Antique furnishings tell charming stories while soft, natural light streams through delicate windows. This romantic sanctuary welcomes visitors with refined grace and genuine warmth. Enjoy moments of cultural enrichment in this sophisticated music room centered around a beautiful mahogany piano. Sheet music and vintage instruments create artistic inspiration, while wingback seating offers comfortable listening. Candlelight and refined furnishings celebrate music's timeless beauty. Settle into this inviting morning room where botanical artwork and comfortable seating create gentle daily joy. Large windows frame garden views beautifully, while cream and sage tones soothe the soul. This quiet retreat becomes your favorite place for coffee, reflection, and peaceful moments. This elegant hallway showcases architectural grandeur while transitioning through your home with refined sophistication. Ornate gilt frames display botanical artwork, while soft lighting illuminates cream walls. Every corner whispers timeless grace and welcoming warmth throughout your residence. Step outside into this picturesque garden courtyard where classical elegance meets natural beauty absolutely perfectly. Potted topiaries and flowering shrubs create your private southern escape. Wrought iron seating and overhead roses transform outdoor spaces into extraordinary entertaining venues. We hope you felt the elegance and warmth radiating through every space of this stunning home. From serene bedrooms to sophisticated entertaining areas, this is timeless living at its finest. If these designs inspired you, please like this video, subscribe to Cabin and Cottage, and drop a comment telling us which room stole your heart. Thanks so much for being here.